Today we'll talk about AutoSum feature in Microsoft Excel. So basically, sum calculate the sum of all the range in the cell in which you have applied the formula. So let's say we have a record of sales per month by different salesmen. Here are the salesman names. So suppose we want to get the sum of the total sales in the month of January. We'll click this cell. Before starting any formula, we have to use is equals to sign. So let's apply is equals to. Then type in sum. Then give the range. Now you may also use two ranges, but we'll start and close the bracket. Press enter. Here's the sum. This is the easiest method which you can use. Second method would be type sum and put the range manually. Suppose this is starting from B6 to B9. For advanced users, you may also use shortcuts, and the shortcuts on Mac would be Command Shift and T as the AutoSum.